What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Solana. Currently sitting at 139. We're up 7% on the day. Seeing a market cap 65 billion. 24-hour volume 2.96 billion. So, as you can see, we're holding our pullback zone. Nice little wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. So potentially we could push up from here in a wave three. If we do that, I can give you a target based off the trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of 1 to the top of 1 to the bottom of 2. And your wave 3 target would be the 161.8, which is coming in at 157 for our friend Solana. So that's what we're looking at, especially we're breaking this wave 1 high is a good sign. So we look to push up to 157. If we roll over, we break the lows, it is what it is. But as of right now, beautiful wave 1, holding the wave 2, seeing the push to the upside. So the correction could definitely be ending here for our friend Solana with your next target at 157. As you can see, we are holding this support and starting to bounce. So you get back above those daily EMAs and hold them and get the bullish cross. That's when you get that nice push up to that resistance. And then I think it would be likely that we do break it, as we've tested it multiple times, and then see the continuation breakout. If we end up rolling, I do think we'll break the support, but right now my bias is we will continue to push to the upside towards 174, which is the resistance of this wedge. That's what I'm looking at for Solana. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. You can use BITUNIX worldwide. No KYC, no VPN. If you sign up through my link, 10% back on your fees on every single trade. Join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.